Hello, my amazing smart friends! Welcome to a brand new lesson. Today, we're learning 3-letter words. Are you ready to spell, say, and learn with me? Let's go! Our first word is cat. Let's spell it together. C-A-T, cat. Now you say it. C-A-T, cat. Wonderful! Let's use it in a sentence. The cat is playing with a ball. Our next word is dog. Spell it with me. D-O-G, dog. Your turn. D-O-G, dog. Excellent job! Let's use it in a sentence. The dog is running fast. The next word is sun. Spell it with me. S-U-N, sun. Now you say it. S-U-N, sun. Great work! Let's use it in a sentence. The sun is shining in the sky. Our last word for today is bed. Let's spell it together. B-E-D, bed. Now you say it. B-E-D, bed. Amazing! Let's use it in a sentence. It's time to sleep in my bed. You did great today, friends. We learned 4 3-letter words. Cat, dog, sun, and bed. Let's say them one more time. Cat, dog, sun, bed. Fantastic! Keep spelling, keep smiling, and keep learning with me. Young Smart! Subscribe for more fun learning! Learning new words every day makes you smarter in every way.